Hello, today in front of me I have REALME C30 smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can find and access your mobile phone number on this device. First of all, you want to open the General Settings tab, scroll almost all the way down until you be able to see the About Phone category which you want to enter. In here, tap on the SIM status section, and basically once you tap on any respective SIM card you have installed, it will either show the phone number on SIM right here if it is saved into the SIM card memory, or will not show it, unfortunately, as it is in my case true for the SIM card installed at the first slot, because the phone number is not saved to its memory. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.